Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can use line chart in Excel. So let's start. For line chart, we can select products and January, these two variables, and after selecting the dataset, go insert, recommended charts, all charts, line. Here you will see different line charts version. We can use this one, line, stacked line, 100% stacked line. Okay, different charts are available, and in if you select this, line charts will be there and also with the data points. Okay, so this is very useful. I'm selecting this one. Okay, so here you can see the line chart. Okay, now I'm deleting this by pressing delete button from the keyboard. Now I will include all these three. Okay, from products to March, all data except total. Okay, now after selecting the data set, I'm going to insert recommended charts, line, and this one. So we can see uh, blue line is showing January data, yeah, orange line is showing February data, and ash line, gray line is saying March data. Okay, so we can also do some modifications here. uh, Monthly uh, revenue, revenues by products, any chart we want to give. Then access titles, give here revenue, and here products. Okay, we can move it here. Okay, then we can include data labels. If we use data labels, this becomes very uh, quite unclear. We can resize this. If we if we can make it big, then it becomes more clearer, but still it is not convenient to see. So I'm removing this data labels. If I want, I can use data table also. We can include data table. I don't need data table here. We can include error bars here, grid lines, or we can remove grid lines. I think if you use grid lines here, it is more simple to visualize. We can include legends here. Here legends were in bottom before, but now it's on our right. But we want, if we want to make it shift it in the bottom, then from legend we can see there is a drop down here. We're selecting bottom. Okay, trend line, uh, they, if we select trend line, they will tell us which month we want to uh, draw a trend line, because here 3 months data is given and trend line will indicate only 1 month's data. Okay, so if we select January and click OK, it will give a trend line on the January data. Okay, but we don't need trend line. You can use also up down bars. So this is how we can uh, include a line chart in Excel. And if you can also do some modifications from here. Okay, you can choose different chart styles, or you can use you can choose from here also by from this option. There are different styles available, and you can choose different color also. This one looks good. From here, there is the options are given here. If we don't want toothpaste, then we can remove toothpaste and apply. Toothpaste will be gone, but I want toothpaste, so I'm clicking it and apply, so it is back again. So this is how we can, we don't need to use names. Now I'm making it simple in this tutorial. And from design you can see other options. You can use different colors. You can also uh, use chart title, different elements. You can select, and you can observe the change that is happening in the chart, and you can then decide that whether to keep the change, or you want to avoid that. uh, from format, uh, you can also edit these points. Okay, change the color of these points if you want. So this is how you can include a line chart in Excel. So that's all for today, and thank you very much.